Good morning. I'm Heidi Johnson, principal at Kenwood Community School. We're so glad that you're thinking about our school community. Here's door 1. This is where you'll enter our building. Come on in and take a tour.
Hi everyone, I'm Lori Smith. I'm the family liaison here at Kenwood Community School. Kenwood serves students in kindergarten through 5th grade living in the uptown and downtown areas of Minneapolis. As you enter door 1 to come into our building, you'll press the buzzer, walk through the doors after you've been admitted, and then just go straight to our office where you can sign in and say hello to Danielle.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kenwood.
Here at Kenwood, we're committed to making sure that every child learns and grows in a joyful and rigorous academic community. We support our students' development in academics, of course, with a strong literacy block and math block and engagement in science and social studies. And we also want to make sure that our kids are growing, so we really emphasize social emotional learning. We start our day with morning meeting, and we make sure that we are building strong relationships not only with our students but with our students' families, because we know that it's with our partnership that our kids make the most growth and feel their most joyful.
Here at Kenwood, our motto is Smarts plus Arts. One of the ways we achieve this is through the generous contributions of our community members. We have an extremely active community who is very generous with their donations, as well as their time and their skill set to be able to bring these special artists in with unique opportunities for students. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Lori Smith, the family liaison, or anybody here at Kenwood Community School. You can find information on our school website or by calling our office at 612-668-2760. Hope to see you soon. Bye.